Welcome back guys to my channel, and this is Gunplay channel, and today we're gonna unbox a metal Beyblade series, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have two metal 4D Beyblades here. They are from Rapidity. Which one do you like to unbox? This one or this one? Before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for your support, especially all the kids outside and inside of the Philippines. So I think we will go with this one, Scythe Kronos, and this one we will gonna unbox this on my next video, so stay tuned. So this is the Scythe Kronos from Rapidity, aka also known as Hongi. So this is the box. So this is a knockoff Beyblade, bootleg Beyblade, and fake Beyblade. Yeah. I don't encourage you guys to buy a fake Beyblades. I'm just showing to you guys what's the content of this Beyblade, what's the content of this box, inside the box I mean. So this is the box, and this is the combo. Okay, at the side and the other side. So that's pretty much it, nothing special. Some of you asking me, where do you buy those Beyblades? The Rapidity, the Carboni. So I mean, I'm at my country is from Philippines, so we have a shopping app here, called Shopee and Lazada. So that's the app. So if you're in the Philippines, you're lucky. Some sellers selling a Rapidity Beyblades. Beware of scammers. I don't know on the other country. Okay. If you are outside Philippines, you can try on Amazon, eBay. Just search it. So this is the content of the box. Alright, so I think we didn't get the right combo, because the bottom is different, but the color is close to the original. You can see. So let's open this plastic. So this is the stickers. It looks off. I don't like it. It's made from glossy paper. As you can see, there's a damage already. Okay, this is the bottom. Came out of the box. Track. I think this is the right track. I think so. But this one is just a spare. If you want to use it, go ahead. No problem with that. Okay. The tool. This is the Beyblade, the metal wheel and the clear wheel and the face hold. I like I think the metal series is the second generation Beyblades. I like them like the first generation. So I'm gonna focus on metal Beyblades. So this is the metal wheel, for the metal wheel. Comment down below if what kind of metal wheel is this. This is the clear wheel, and it has a gimmick. It's moving, it's rotating, and this is the face ball. Okay, that's the content of the box of the Scythe Kronos. So, by the way, this is the launcher, the default launcher. So let's build it. First, we have to put the clear wheel on the metal wheel. Then I use the original track. And I'm gonna use this one. Beyblade. Scythe Kronos from Metal 40. So let's put this sticker. Let's try this. Oh. Alright, this is the sticker and it fits good. So there we have it, the Scythe Kronos from Rapidity. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you to your support, guys, all over the world. Thank you to your support. So there you have it, the Scythe Kronos from Rapidity. So in my next video, we were gonna unbox the other Beyblade, this one. So please stay tuned to my channel. I'm gonna post a new content. I'm gonna post often new videos just for you guys. So thanks for watching. This is Gunbay channel, and see you on my next video.